Hi, I'm Maciej from EONEA talking about data loss prevention. Today I will show you how to install or upgrade TrueNAS Scale to the brand new version, which is 25.04. This material is in May 2025. I will explain a little bit later why upgrade and install it's more or less the same process. I will show you how to get brand new TrueNAS with a lot of applications and Docker on board. I will talk a little bit more and show, but first, sponsored part.
If you need our support in designing, implementing or maintaining infrastructure related to virtualization, remote access or TrueNAS storage, feel free to contact us. If you don't need our support but you like what we do, like and subscribe, you know the drill. Thanks, and now let's get back to the technical details.
Before we will start, I just want to mention that we have new features on board in TrueNAS Scale 25.04. In example, we have fiber channel support, but only for enterprise version. We have linked user API, which means that we can assign API key to particular user to avoid situation that that API key will have all privileges like it was till now. We have support for Xcopy via iSCSI. That should improve operation via Xcopy on Windows. We also have final version of ZFS fast deduplication. That's cool feature. I will try to cover that in the next one of the next materials. Install and upgrade, why it seems to be the same or it shouldn't be the same. In this case, it could be the same, because if you upgrade TrueNAS every time from version to version, then it is just upgrade and it will work. But if we want, for example, skip some versions or migrate from core to scale, in that cases, it is strongly suggested to use standard ISO installation. So it will be exactly the same process for install and for upgrade. In this moment, I will skip details like from which version to which version we are going, because it will sometimes give us a situation that we need to do something or we should avoid something. I will skip that details for this particular material. Okay, that's it. So let's start. Before we will start, let's prepare the backup of our existing TrueNAS. General settings, manage configuration, download file, export password, secret seed. That's what we need. Save. And it's done. It's happened in the background. That's cool. Okay, so now we want to have ISO to upgrade or to install fresh installation. The best way to get the ISO with the TrueNAS installation is get it from the TrueNAS web page. So let's go there. Get TrueNAS. TrueNAS Enterprise, it's for devices from TrueNAS. If you made it yourself, it will be TrueNAS Community Edition. Probably that's what you want. Community Edition. Okay, welcome, enjoy. Community Edition, Fangtooth, download it. Perfect. You can leave your mail here to have to be informed about the new information, new features, just to be in the newsletter. I'm already there, so in my case, no thank you. Two possibilities, or legacy version or the newest, the shiny one. It's the one 25.04. It's the newest stable version. Click it here and download. That's it. It's downloading in the background. In my case, I will use XCP-ng as a virtualizator to show how it looks like. So in my case, we have it here. Let's go to the console. We can see that for now we have a lot of IPs. Interesting thing, Only one is used by me. I mean this 192, 168, 1498. For example, those one are used by Docker. It's existing on TrueNAS, but it's not useful from the general perspective. Docker use it. So let's go there. We already was there. Okay, that's the IP. So what we should do first, we should disable it, power it off, shut down, reason. That's also new features. Let's say update, confirm. The new features with the reason why we want to do that. It wasn't before there, but it is. It's quite cool. Okay, power it off. Let's go to disks. So this is how I let's say plug USB with the ISO. I have put it to XCPNG and have it here. Okay, so to make it start from USB, I need to do recovery start. By default, in that case, he will try to use connected USB. That's what we win. That's what we want in our case. Let's came back to console. Perfect. We have scale installation. Enter. Go. First prompt, it's what we want to do. Upgrade, install, shell, reboot, or shut down. In our case, we will do the install. What we can see, we can see 5 disks. Please notice that B, C, and E are disks with the data. We will install system on A and F, which have 16 gigabytes. What is important here? It doesn't matter we will install fresh installation or we will update it. It doesn't matter. This installation will not touch those pool, will not touch our data. It's very important. If something went wrong, we always can reinstall it again. It will not touch our data. We will install system on those two. So A and F. We will use 2 of them to have mirror in case of one of them will fail. You don't have to do it. This is my way. I like to do it that way, but it will work also only on one disk. So that's it. Please be careful to use only this disk, which should have system. If you will load something, if you will match here one of your dataset disks, it will create a real problem. So take care, and match only disks with the system. Okay, he will ask about that we are sure what we are doing. Yes, we are, because it will erase it. I already mentioned that. And as an administrative user, since while TrueNAS user TrueNAS admin. It was root while ago in core. In previous scale it was admin. Now it is TrueNAS admin. Different is I mean it is because the root, it's not the best user to use it day by day. That's why it's kind of enforced to use other user than root. We can use root here, but it's not the best solution. So TrueNAS admin. It's a good solution. You can use other one, but let's leave it like that. Assigning new passwords. Okay. Yes, and now he will format both of our disks. He will install fresh TrueNAS scale. Information that NAS is installed on both disks where we need it, and now click enter to reboot. Should reboot our server. Reboot system and wait for booting brand new version. We have information that he will boot in the newest version. That's what we need, and he will continue booting. After once again reboot, we have brand new TrueNAS configuration. We can see what IP is it here. IP doesn't change because MAC address doesn't change, and the IP is assigned by DHCP server. We can go there. And we are in. We can see that there is nothing. It's new. There's nothing. When we will go to the disks, we will see those disks. So A and F, and he also see the pool, my test pool, which was there before, but he do not touch it. Definitely not. So if you want to just install new one, fresh new version, that's it. You are here. If you are upgrading, we will need to do one more thing. System, general settings, manage, upload file, and we will choose the file which we downloaded before upgrade. Okay, let's click it. It's the one. Okay. Upload. What will happen now? Now he will upload configuration, he will apply it and automatically reboot with the configuration from this file. It will take a while. He needs to upload it. He needs to, like I mentioned, apply and reboot. After additional reboot with the our old configuration, we can see on the console once again we have a lot more IPs than we expect to be there. So all seems to be good. Let's go to the web page. Please remember that this time credentials will not be the same which you are using in install. The credentials will be the same as it was from the backup. If it is the same, no worries. But please remember those are credentials from configuration which was downloaded. Okay. User, password, and let's log in. So once again, take a look. Storage. Yes, now we can see pools which is imported. We will see some VDEVs, and also we should see some applications. So all is running, all is fine. So this is the way how we can reinstall or upgrade TrueNAS in the quite good way. I hope it was helpful, and that's it. Thank you.
Thanks for staying till the end. Remember, if you need our support in designing, implementing or maintaining infrastructure related to virtualization, remote access or TrueNAS storage, feel free to contact us. If you don't need our support but you like what we do, like and subscribe, you know the drill. Meanwhile, we invite you to watch other materials or maybe see you later. Thanks. Bye.